Today, I'm going to challenge myself to make every viral rare Needoh. Let's get started. Needoh jellyfish, water, food coloring, mix it, use glitter, blow and twist the balloon. Fill it up with water. Slowly let the air out. Tie the balloon. Nano tape. Color with marker. I rolled it up and tied it into sections with dental floss. I tried to make a jellyfish shape, and I painted the tail of the balloon and cut it into strips. Assemble them together. Done! My Needoh jellyfish. Needoh nice cube swirl. I cut the kitchen sponge in half and glued it together with double-sided tape to increase its thickness. I cut off the excess and trimmed it into a cube shape. Then covered each side with double-sided tape. Making sure there were no gaps. This is key to successfully creating a slow-rising squishy. I added some white glue to acrylic paint in a 1:1 ratio and applied it directly to the tape. I added a drop of another color and used a toothpick to draw some lines, trying to create a fluid pattern, but I don't think the result was ideal. I guess I need more practice. Okay, let it dry. And we can see that each side has a different pattern. Now I'll squeeze it. I poke a few holes to let air in and out, which makes the rising speed a bit faster. So if you want a faster rising, poke more holes. If you want a slower rising, don't poke too many holes. I must say, it feels good to squeeze. What do you think of my sponge version of the Needoh Nice Cube Swirl? Classic Needoh. Flour. Shampoo. Mix well. Add a small amount of conditioner to make the dough smoother. Cut the end at the balloon. Stuff the dough into the balloon. Tie the balloon. It is very soft, more elastic than using only dry flour. And it can easily return to its original shape. Let me know which one you like the most. Thank you for watching. Bye!